Here's how it works. Start miles 2000. Then we'll put in our end miles. We'll make that 2,222. As soon as we hit done, it'll instantly show up on our miles tracker. Just like that, it logs and everything's automatic. Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm going to show you how to build this in 10 minutes. It logs instantly. There's no manual typing on Google Sheets, and there's no monthly fees. So if you learn like I do and you want to do a step-by-step video, I made a 58-minute master class that you can click on right here. Otherwise, let's jump right in. I've set this up so you could just hit make a copy and it's yours. It's a clean template, no personal data attached, so you can start fresh with your own mileage today. Only a few things we must do to get you up and rolling. You'll need a Google account. Easiest way on mobile phone, go to the App Store, get Google Sheets. From a desktop or laptop, Google Chrome browser. Copy the Google Sheets link in the description of this video. You could rename it or at least get rid of copy so it simply reads mileage tracker. It will have a ref error in A4. This is normal. That will go away. It's just my bridge formula waiting for you to create your own Google form and rename that response tab to data 26. Once you do that, the error disappears and your data flows in instantly. Now we want to create a form. Do not create it from your Sheets tools. That will prevent shortcuts from working. Go to docs.google.com/forms. Once in your form, we're going to create 3 entries. First, name it. Name mileage form. First entry, purpose. Drop down menu. Enter your most used purpose gig, like charity, or whatever your gig is. Add start mileage, short answer. Add ending mileage, short answer. Publish it. Go to responses. Select existing spreadsheet. Select the spreadsheet you just copied. Insert. Go back to your Google Sheets. Rename form response on your sheet to data 26. Capital D, no spaces. Data 26. Now, back to the form. Copy the responder link and put that in a browser. Give it a test. Should see answers on Google Sheets. Everything is working? Great. Time for shortcuts. Before you run these, it's easiest to go to your Files app, iCloud Drive, create a folder named Miles, capital M. The shortcut will create the file for you, but it needs that folder to exist first. Now it's time to go get the starting shortcuts link in the description. Open it and rename the first entry that says get file from, then select your iCloud drive, then type in @path miles with a capital M /start_miles.txt. Your starting shortcut is now done. Now it's time to go get the ending shortcuts link in the description. Same thing as the starting shortcut. Open it and rename the first entry that says get file from, then select your iCloud drive, then type in @path miles /start_miles.txt. Done. Now, under the if statement otherwise, you'll see a URL that has a placeholder that says apple.com. To get the URL we need to put here, go back to your form. 3 dots at the top right, go to pre-fill form and fill out with dummy info. Select your most common purpose. We can put in 100 for start miles and 200 for end miles. Click on Get Link. This needs to be placed in the ending shortcut URL where the apple.com placeholder is. Voila! All right, now we need to change a few things within this link here. Where you see view form question mark, change to form response question mark. Capital R in response, no spaces. At the very end, directly after the 200, write and symbol, submit equals submit, the second submit with a capital S. If it looks like this, we're almost done. Variable for 100, delete that, right click, add file. Variable for 200, delete that, right click, ask for input. Leave your most common purpose as it is for now. Let's give our starting and ending shortcuts a test. Agree to it all, and boom, you're up and running. Make all changes from your data 26. Whether you change your purpose, delete a row, or make a correction on your miles, your data 26 is where you do this. Now you can hide your data 26 for a cleaner look and bring it right back with a simple View tab and hidden sheets. Put your shortcut in a widget for easy access, and that wraps it up. So I'll see you on the road. Drive safe.